Hello my dear friends, welcome to Nurses Ladder. So today in this video, I will be talking about the scope of nursing courses for boys. So before moving into the video, if there is anyone who is a new viewer to my channel and who is interested to watch videos related to nursing profession as well as nursing courses, you can better subscribe to my channel, as well as when you subscribe, you have to press the bell icon for getting notifications as soon as I upload new videos. So my dear friends, let's start this video. So dear friends, the question which many of my viewers asked me was, what is the scope of nurses, specifically male nurses, after their degree or diploma completion? What's the chance of getting job for male nurses? Is there any good scope for male nurses when they are compared with female nurses? So my dear friends, I have a lot of examples to give you for this particular question. I will be answering your question with a lot of examples. If you take a hospital or a healthcare unit, we can find so many patients who get admitted into that particular unit for their medical conditions. When you take staff nurses could be males or females. So depending upon the type of unit where the patients are admitted, depending upon the medical condition which the patient is suffering from, depending upon the comfortable level of the patient, the role of different staff nurses varies. Like for example, in emergency care units, you can find both males and females. Like for example, in cases of disasters where you need a quick shifting of patients, transferring of patients. If the patients are more obese and you need shifting of the patient fast, so you may require both males as well as females. In case of operation theatres, males and females staff nurses work, but in specific OTs such as orthopedic OTs, where there are so many procedures which will be carried out specifically related to different extremities, where you may need to carry the particular the particular part where the surgery is going to perform. So for that purpose you need strength. So in many situations, male staffs will be preferred there rather than female staffs. In other areas such as industrial nursing, male staffs are preferred. They are given more scope. They have their own role in different companies. In ICUs, I mean to say intensive care units, you may require male staffs as well as female staffs to take care of the patients. In case of obstetrics and gynecological units, some hospitals, some healthcare centers prefer female staffs. Depending upon the culture of the patient, some patients prefer female staff nurses than male staff nurses. It depends on their culture. So we cannot force anybody to accept our care. So a nurse has to be compassionate. Nurse has to understand the needs of the patients. Nurse has to understand the medical condition of the patient. So in this regard, I would like to say that, my dear friends, nurse's role is entirely depending upon the type of medical condition the patient is suffering from, the needs of the patient, the care which has to be provided on the patient, everything matters. So I cannot tell you that only female staff nurses are given preference. In many areas, male staff nurses have major roles to play. Like for example, in case of a psychiatric unit where a patient became aggressive and it is a psychiatric emergency where you need more male staffs with good strength along with female staffs to manage the patient at that particular time period. So this is just an example, like as many examples which I gave you before. So all of these examples are said to make you understand that both males and female staffs are required in a healthcare unit. And one more important point I have to make you understand is that healthcare sector is such a sector or industry or organization where nurses play an important role. Nurses take care of the patient 24 hours. Nurses are that particular group of healthcare professionals who occupy more than 50% of the healthcare employees, number of healthcare employees. They occupy more than 50%. So you can imagine the role of nurses. Nurses are in huge demand all over the globe. So this is one of the major reasons why students prefer nursing as a course, because as soon as you complete the course, you are going to get a job. So my dear friends, even for nurses after their completion of degree, specifically BSc nursing or post BSc nursing as well as MSc nursing, there are a lot of opportunities to work as nursing faculty, specifically for male nurses as well as female nurses. So my dear friends, it's just a misconception that people have in their mind that nursing is only or majorly run by females. It's just a misconception. If you are really smart enough, you will be able to grab good positions and good organizations. Everything depends on you. So all the best for a good future, all the best for a better career. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, you can press the like button. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell icon for getting notifications related to new videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye-bye.